This is what it looks like to be alone in the middle of the Ecuadorian Amazon. I'm in a wooden cabin. The host, there's no one here at the moment, but the host did prepare breakfast, which is rice and peas. This is my room. We got a bed here and the wooden panels all around, and you've got the tin roof. This is the room where my host is staying with her children with a mosquito net. There is a small bathroom in here. And on the outside we have a paradise. Now the house is around 3 meters above the ground, and that is to protect it from flooding, give it more air circulation and any of the Amazonian insects. And this is the living area with a big TV.